Well, you know, I was telling earlier about certain things with the bike and thing. The man live up the words. Yeah, the bike finished before the time my bike I talking about. And since the last time I talked to her, I said it would have be around February to the end of January. Yes, the end, because today is the 22nd of January. And yeah, yesterday me and the man so we went and we check my mechanic, and bike it working. Bike working, it's a little, I get one backfire from it, vibrating a big ground, all kind of thing. Still getting a little trouble to start because one or two things had to change, but more or less right now it's just the one or two little parts that had to change. And then it could be like the brakes, the front brakes and chain and so on our way, but everything else working. The bike coming on, everything fires in a part. I'll have video just now. And right now I in by 10,000 something, and it ain't done as yet because I tell you it still need little minor parts. Well, 2 months back, could be 3 4 around this, so could say last year, right? Last year I was telling myself, think, you know, I really want frame, I wear a 20-inch, I fed up right Coco Benz, and I was really telling myself I need a 20-inch. Alright. I ain't get you with no 20-inch, I didn't plan on spending any money behind a 20-inch. But could make a way that I get through with 2 that I was telling about in the last video. Then I want to make a little small talk with somebody, and I get a next one for like 100, right? I'll probably see that on the my shorts video on them that I post, right? The person to game it for 1. I say, you know what, since is you wanting, you want no face, I get for 2. Bring it, ting. I is not a man. Hey, so what I was trying to tell you in shorter words is that in everything you're going through, things will get bad, things will get worse, it will get better. It could always get worse, but it will get better, right? So like whatever you're going through right now, it might be bad and thing, but it will get better, right? I was asking for a frame. I get real parts with 3 bike, right? Type of person I is, I say what, I don't need 3 bike. I give no soul and them 1 because that is just how I is at the end of the day. If I was and I ask for it, more or less it might take time, but I'll still get through. Look at how my shop looking. There's a mad Santa soon as well, you know. My uncle own. And look at how my yard is looking. Yeah, these rims on them, everything just all over the place. Everything just over the all friggin' place. My mechanic was letting me know that it have a place in Shogun, so I'll get the clutch. I might be able to get the clutch proper wheelie and bike, train up like butter. That had to come. Yeah. So I feel I might fix that, you know, or something like that. So see you on the flip side.